Hey guys, Kat right here. I'm going to be making a circle stepping stone pathway right in front of my chicken run. So I hope you beautify your yard, and man, I have fun doing it. Stick around. So I had a stepping stone pathway here not too long ago. I found some other stones. I'm just gonna make it, just add some more stones to it. So the first thing I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna make this whole area very flat. I got my tarp over there. As I take the dirt, I'm gonna throw it onto the tarp so it doesn't make the grass all covered in the dirt, so it'll be smooth when we put the dirt back. Man, I had to go put my hair up. It was so hot as I'm trying. My hair's like flipping all over my face. Now I'm gonna take those stones and plop them down and get them as even as possible. So Josh is eyeballing this, trying to get them the same distance apart. This is definitely the hardest part to this whole job, is to use the leveler, get those stones level as possible and level with each other as possible. Okay, I am all done with this beautiful pathway. It is very, very patchy looking because I didn't quite get all the dirt around it even, but I did spend quite a bit of time making sure those stones were straight and also that they were level. So if you have stones sitting around or you can get some stones, I would 100% suggest you make a beautiful stone pathway. It has now been 2 months since I've laid these stones. I have some grass growing in it and they look wonderful. So remember, work hard, play hard, have a wonderful day. Oh, those chickens are being loud. Maybe I should let them out.